In 20 years' time, we need to grow 40% more food to feed a growing population. By the end of the next decade, 48 countries will suffer from serious water scarcity. Groasis started with the idea to use our water resources more efficiently. For 15 years, this idea was nurtured and carefully developed until it became the flourishing company that Groasis is today. With our patented technology, we enable people from all over the world to grow trees in combination with vegetables in dry conditions at 90% lower costs, using 90% less water with a 90% survival rate. Groasis ecological water-saving technology is used by clients in 43 countries, and the demand is growing fast. As of today, MOUs for over 100 million units have been agreed between Groasis and its distributors. At Groasis, we believe that collective efforts should have collective rewards. Invest in the Netherlands' most innovative scale-up. Make an impact and benefit from it yourself.